Hey everybody, I am Kristen and I have met some dope friends here today, and as you can see in the back is Autoholics. So everyone just introduce your name and of course we will kick it off.
All right, my name is Leo. Kevin. Ralph.
Say hi to the people. All right, so today, is this your first time actually being at this show or have you guys been here before?
So this is our third year here, and this is Leo's first year, and this is your third year as well. Right?
So what is it that keeps you guys coming back? Because I have been here, this is my second year, first time on the podcast. I'm really excited for that. So what keeps you coming back? Because there's a lot of energy, a lot of things going on. What is it that say we're coming back this year?
Have Leo say it first.
So I know that's my first year, but we came here to showcase our work. It's most of that. We can meet nice people, we can bring nice cars, and it's all about to grow the business. We work in car customization in general. Most of things we do wrap, we do tint, detailing, we do mechanic stuff. So for Autoholics, what it really matters, it is making car look good.
Yeah.
That.
I like it. So where'd this name come from? Because I really like it, because I was hearing some people are there, they're laughing like Autoholics, they love it. So where did that come from?
So Autoholics came from, how like people are addicted to stuff, so
Yes.
we're addicted to cars, so we're Autoholics.
I love it. Yeah, we are all Autoholics. I know I'm a muscle car girl, but I love that Supras are my next one.
And
Supras and GTRs.
Our slogan is, you imagine, we build. Definitely follow us on Instagram at Autoholics_SJ.
So thank you guys for doing this.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate you guys, and we'll have some more fun.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Thank you, Chris.
Thanks.